I'm in my front yard. It's springtime, and you guys may remember I talked to you about Preemergent a couple weeks ago, but now we are actually going to spread it out in my front yard because it is time to put down your Preemergent. We don't want all those little seeds, weed seeds popping up in our yard to ruin our beautiful grass lawn. So today I'm gonna get started on that. It's super simple. I bought this from Stokely's. You can get it from your local garden center. Any kind of Preemergent for your lawn, established lawns will do fine. We have this broadcast spreader here. You wanna make sure you read the back of the bag. It's going to tell you what number you want to turn your broadcast spreader to that's the right number so that it's getting the right amount of Preemergent out into your lawn. So it's that simple. Let's get started. All right guys, it's all finished. It was super simple. You saw all you do is just pour it and push it. Super easy. Now this has to be activated with water. It's actually gonna rain here hopefully this afternoon, so I'm gonna let the rainfall take care of it. If it doesn't rain, we're gonna have to turn on the irrigation or a sprinkler and water it in. So make sure if you do this at home that you're watering it after application. So you guys get out there and make those weedless, beautiful green lawns that you deserve for the summer.